I'm out of juice! Oh, hello. It's me, your boy, Kermit the Frog here. And today we are with... What's your names?
8-bit Azul.
Oh, that's right, the stupid name. Anyways, we're here with the boys in Quiet the Storm here.
Goddamn.
They're going to be presenting their build video for an Arizona T guitar. Sounds pretty dope to me. It's hot as outside, so let's get into it. Oh, that's right, I'm out of juice.
Alright, so this would have been a good moment to put in the shots of me painting the guitar, but unfortunately my hard drive had some issues and I lost around 5 hours of footage. Good thing my phone was recording everything from the sidelines, and that's actually the footage you've been seeing this whole time. I figured I should say something since the guitar does go from blue to turquoise all of a sudden. You're not tripping though, we just messed up. Despite all the setbacks, we were able to put together a pretty good video. The rest of the video is shot on my nice camera, so hopefully you like what we put together. That didn't work out. As soon as I tore off the stencil, it peeled off all the paint. So instead, I'm just gonna use the lines left over and hopefully fill it back in.
You want to wait at the oil change place all day, or do you want to take your car and then drive back here?
Why? How long does this take?
Probably an hour.
Wow.
We're running out of time. They close at, I think they close at 4.
Alright. I don't mind waiting, it's fine.
Maybe you're coming for.
Because I'm recording the tea, the Arizona iced tea. Why? You want me to blur your face out?
Oh, you're gonna record yourself getting the parts?
Yeah. You want me to blur your face out? Too bad, I'm gonna do it anyway. Here, take it, Junior.
When you're not soldering, like even when it's off, coat your tip with solder.
Why?
Because it oxidizes and it messes up the tip if you don't.
Whoa, I thought the opposite would fuck it up.
No.